How to customize alarm volume separately on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to set your alarm volume independently from your ringtone or media volume. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Sounds and Vibration. From there, tap on Volume. At this point, you'll see separate sliders for ringtone, media, notifications, and alarm. In the next step, drag the slider next to alarm to set your preferred level. Following this, this volume now applies specifically to alarms without affecting your ringtone or media playback. Once done, test it by setting a quick alarm in the clock app to hear how it sounds. Keep in mind, if your alarm volume is set very low, it may not wake you up, even if other volumes are turned up high. Finally, come back to this same volume screen anytime you want to adjust the alarm level again. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize alarm volume separately on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you next one.